So, guys, today we have Mahima Makwana. Hello, welcome to India Forum.
Hi, thank you.
So, सबसे पहले तो I just want to know what you're doing these days.
Well, like we all know, times are extremely crucial and depressing. The world around, people around are going through such a difficult time. It's unimaginable, and it's extremely depressing to even hear ambulance going every next minute. To even like I'll be honest, right before the interview I was talking to a friend of mine whose friends have lost their parents. 2 दिन पहले माँ चली गई, आज आज पिताजी हॉस्पिटल में थे. So you're constantly hearing about deaths and how people are running after oxygen, hospital, ICU, all of that. So I don't know, but it's impossible for any of us to feel normal. Like when I'm even talking about it, I'm just trying to imagine and fathom what people must be going through. Like, we are so privileged that we are home and we are keeping safe. So I have honestly not been doing anything at all. It's difficult for me to just distract myself and just have like a temporary escape. But we all know that it's important for us to keep ourselves mentally sane. And yeah, so I've got a pet. It's been 2 weeks that he's home. So his name is Parinda. He's a golden retriever. So I just try and spend most of my time with him, and I think he's just helping me with keeping myself fine.
And
At least
also,
on.
from the, yeah, you were saying something.
No, I'm saying that he's just, right now I think he's my angel, and I think I got him at such a favorable time कि lockdown होने ही वाला था और वो बस घर पे आया, and now he's taking all the attention. So he's keeping me sane. Yeah.
That's so true. And yeah, even I have a pet. You're absolutely right. कि अभी actually यही एक है, घर पे लॉक है और इनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना ही is the best thing right now. And ऑल्सो इंडस्ट्री में शूट्स हो रहे हैं, शूट्स मुंबई से शिफ्ट होके बाहर चले गए हैं और एक्टर्स भी पॉजिटिव हो रहे हैं. कितने एक्टर्स हैं जो एडमिट हैं और दे फाइटिंग फॉर देयर लाइफ.
Yeah.
एंड
Obviously, it's terrible because there are some of my friends, and even if friends ho ya acquaintance ho ya koi bhi ho, right now we have come down to a level, and I will also say that it's overwhelming to see humanity right now has absolute no boundaries and it's free spirited. Like, आजकल सोशल मीडिया का जिस तरह से हम सब यूज कर रहे हैं, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हो, डॉक्टर्स हो, या हर कोई, दे आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू एम्पलीफाई रेलेवेंट information and help each other. Right now nobody is looking at ye kaun hai, ye kya hai, what caste, what color. There's no discrimination at all. Right now people are just wanting to save each other because people are dying out of no oxygen, no medicines, no beds. Like, it's terrible. And right now I was also shooting in the previous lockdown. I think, I mean, after we all started resuming, so I know how tough that was, and I too was extremely apprehensive about, because कभी कभी आपको ऐसा लगता है कि चलो, even if I get infected, आपको होता है कि आप ठीक हो जाओगे, but it's fearful to get that home. It's fearful to let that touch your parents or elders at home. But right now I would just say that the second wave that we have right now is even more dangerous and dreadful. So मेरे हिसाब से हम सबको शूटिंग जो बाहर भी चल रही है वो बंद करनी चाहिए. But I also understand what goes on the other side. We have telecasts to meet, we have episodes to meet, but I don't know, I just think that everything can wait right now. Everything can wait. हम 2 रोटी अगर नहीं खा पा रहे तो हम 1 रोटी पे जिंदा रह पाएंगे, but life, once it's gone, it cannot come back. Because it's been a biggest lesson for all of us that we shouldn't take life for, while I'm saying this, Ashima, I'm having goosebumps that we cannot
understand
we cannot, right now I think all of us just we should pay attention to the guidelines and just try and stay as much as we can at home, you know, because everything else can wait. But एक बार जो चला जाता है वो चला जाता है, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's a very difficult time. And now coming back, recently we saw one photo shoot and your pictures were amazing. So tell me that transformation, वो transformation जो हुआ है, वो transformation के बारे में मैं जानना चाहती हूँ, और आपके कितने personal inputs थे इसमें?
See, transformation in the sense, you know, as actors, you always try to break the stereotype and try to do experimental stuff, unconventional stuff. We try to look out for characters and scripts which we have never done before, or something which is which gives you that mettle to perish. So right now, you know, I thought that, you know, why not assimilate this whole idea into photo shoot? I mean, this is just one of the other few looks that you have seen. So there's a lot in the store right now. So, you know, transformation in the sense, there's also maturity that comes into place. You understand how industry works. You understand how, you know, instances, experiments, experiences, all this has led into understanding about a lot of things. And I think just converting that into a form of a photo shoot, and a lot of people thankfully have told me surprisingly that my eyes are looking different. And, you know, let's just keep the physical transformation, the transformation that you have on the face is something which is, you know, we're taken aback. So that is the biggest compliment for me. And yeah, I mean, I would just say that there's a lot in the store. And mere ideas ki agar main baat karu to obviously this whole concept about breaking the stereotype and performing different moods as well as photo shoots, they give you that opportunity to portray without motion, to portray when you don't, you know, it's just the camera and your eyes in stills. So that is something that I was keen on to doing. And then, you know, I had my photographer, my stylist, and we assimilated different kind of ideas. And then obviously we had one idea in our minds, but then by the end of the shoot something else turns out. So it was great, it was amazing, and it was super fun to actually crack a side of mine which even I didn't know about. So the first look itself has you know, has got a lot of appreciation, and people are taken aback, and I'm just happy, and I'm like, okay, yeah, I did the right thing.
And do you think you know, breaking the TV stereotype is difficult?
See, I think stereotype is something which can not only have a TV stereotype to it, but I think to stereotype an actor on the basis of their platform or the roles that they do or the characters that they perform is, I don't believe in it, because every individual, even if they work for TV or movies or web or theater, they'll have a different way of portraying everything. Like, you know, you give one character to X number of actors, everybody will have their own inputs, their own way of performing a character. So I think that is something which you know, which just keeps away the stereotype ka point for me. And secondly, you know, it was not a conscious effort that I have to do this and I have to change my perception, but I think to just give an idea about, you know, Mahima can not just pull off a character which is of a cute girl, but, you know, she has more depth and more layers to her in terms of personality ho, yeah, character driven scripts ho. And like I said, I think breaking stereotype is something which is extremely important for an actor, because, you know, variety is the spice of life. And nobody likes to be put in a box and just tell them ki aap isi ke kabil ho. You always want to break it and somehow prove it to yourself that no, you know, I can try different kind of stuff.
And what kind of genres you want to experiment now?
I want to try anything and everything. I just want to do stuff which maybe I've not done before. I want to work with biggest of the filmmakers, different kind of genres, फिर चाहे वो thriller ho, psychological drama ho, anything and everything. But you know, I like doing stuff. I mean, I enjoy doing stuff which is based on real stories, because somehow there is a lot more connectivity, relatability, and I like doing stuff which is more on the women centric part. You know, films like Highway or scripts like Piku, you know, that kind of stuff. And now that we have seen that, you know, the gap is bridging and things are getting better. Obviously, we have a long way to go, but something which is different, you know, like just a photo shoot tha, so you know people were taken aback. So I actually want to do something where even it's surprising for me as an actor that, you know, I could pull this off.
Yeah, we know that you are doing movies and all. I know you can't talk about it right now, but still thoda fans ko kuch hint doge when we can see Mahima back.
I will be very soon back with a bang. That's all that I can say. And I think I'll just leave this to my visual representation to happen, because I like I said, like you also said, that I cannot be talking about it. But I think I think I'll just leave it to the time. So जब सही वक्त आएगा अब सबको definitely पता चलेगा. But till then, I have a few more photo shoots coming up, so that's something which is also there.
So movies तो हो रही है, तो क्या टीवी को बाय बाय है या कि हम टीवी में भी आपको देखते रहेंगे?
TV is something which has made me what I am today. और जो भी मुझे opportunities मिली हैं, वो मेरे टीवी के audience की वजह से मिली है, वो मेरे टीवी के characters की वजह से मिली है. So I, in fact, owe my career to TV. That is something which has made me what I am today. So I can never forget my roots. You know, as an actor, या फिर किसी भी हम प्रोफेशन में हमें हमेशा बोला जाता है कि अपने हमेशा ग्राउंडेड रहो, डोंट फॉरगेट योर रूट्स एट ऑल. सो आई थिंक टीवी इज समथिंग which is irreplaceable for me. And if at all I get, and let me also tell you that, you know, I have never given reality shows a shot, so why not? You know, I might just do something of that sort. There are no plans, let me tell you, but you know, there's nothing about bidding adieu to TV at all, because it has made me what I am, and the journey or the experience that I've had through TV are also the experiences which is a learning process for me. You know, TV पे आप जिस तरह से काम करते हो, you are always on your toes, you have episodes to deliver, you work under severe circumstances. So TV has eventually made me a lot more hardworking than I thought of. So I think नहीं टीवी को बिल्कुल बाय बाय नहीं होगा. And I love all my audience.
And also अभी reality show की बात आपने की है, तो कौन सा reality show you want to do?
See, I've honestly not given it a thought, but dancing is something which I want to be you know, showcasing. If why not? Because I've not given the, because I think reality shows itself is a milestone, because there you don't have somebody else's character, you don't have a factitious story where you're trying to portray your character, or there's a story which you're trying to live through. There you have to be yourself, and you know, you make one mistake and you are just off the cradle. So it's tough. I mean, people take reality shows like a cakewalk, but I think that is something which is equally challenging. So I've not given it a thought, but maybe something adventurous, or maybe something on the lines of dancing. Why not?
And what about web?
Web, yeah. I mean, web is something which has been the game changer. I mean, 2020 itself has given us that you know, that we have biggest of the films coming on web. We have a lot of web series, and because of web also we have unconventional actors, unconventional scripts, and different kind of genres that we see. That, you know, पहले 2-5 साल पहले जो हम films नहीं देख पाते थे, वो आज OTT ने वो मौका दिया है writers को, filmmakers को, that you know, you have a platform where you can where you can experiment. And I think because of things getting digitized, audience is also getting smarter. So why not? I mean, I've already done 2 shows for web, which is Flesh and Rangbaz Phir Se, and web is a different game altogether. I'm just manifesting for challenging scripts and something on those lines.
And lastly, anything you like to say to the viewers, to the fans on India Forums, जिन्होंने आपको social media पे इतना appreciate किया है for your new photo shoot?
Firstly, thank you very much. I mean, I wouldn't say that I didn't expect this, but my expectations have been some. I'm taken aback. So you guys have encouraged me to experiment even more, and added even more confidence on those layers. So thank you everybody for appreciating me and motivating me. And thank you for giving my experiment a shot by appreciating it. Apart from this, most importantly, in the midst of COVID, I want you guys to stay home. I'm not preaching here, but I'm just trying to make an appeal that not all of us have the privilege of staying home. I don't have to even give you an explanation about how things are getting tougher on the other side. We don't even know if the numbers are correct or if they are factual. All we know that things are extremely depressing, and we have to make sure that we keep the health workers and the frontline warriors in our prayers all the time, because they are our real heroes. Everybody who's been working hard and just trying to save life is something that we will forever be, we are grateful to them. We owe them a lot. So stay home, take care of yourself, take care of your parents, your friends and your loved ones. And अगर बाहर जाना भी हो आपको, तो आजकल तो हमें डॉक्टर्स बता रहे हैं कि wear a double mask.
Yeah.
And don't panic. Pray, stay home, and stay safe. That's the only thing that I have to say right now.
Yeah, absolutely. And thank you so much for giving your time.
Thank you.
And we shall connect again जब आप movie के बारे में बात कर सकते हो.
Cool.
Yeah. Thank you so much, and please stay safe. Thank you.
Done. Okay. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.